Namaskar, dear students. Prayers to Ma Sharda. Today, results of 10th standard Gujarat board declared. Congratulations to all the students and best wishes. They can join Rushi Academy. Our number is 9825245816. This is the number, okay? They can send me text message, okay? It is convenient to me. Text message on 9825245816, okay? Admissions will be open from today only, okay? So we are discussing now inverse trigonometric functions, JEE troubleshooting. Troubleshooting means I give some assignment to the students and they send me difficult problems which they cannot solve. Okay, so that is called troubleshooting. So this is the first problem today. Okay, the value of tan inverse of a1x minus y upon a1y plus x plus tan inverse of a2 minus a1 upon 1 plus a1 a2 plus tan inverse of a3 minus a2 upon 1 plus a2 a3 plus dash 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 plus tan inverse of an minus a of n minus 1 upon 1 plus an into an minus 1 plus tan inverse of 1 upon an is, they have given the choices. First of all, given expression, okay, let us simplify. See, here it is a1x, so let us divide numerator and denominator by x, okay? So it will become tan inverse of a1 minus y by x divided by, I am dividing by x, okay? So it is a1 into y by x, that I have written a1 into y by x, and x by x is 1, okay? Plus keep it as it is, keep this term also as it is, keep this term as it is, and this term as it is, okay? Now this can be written as, we know that tan inverse of alpha minus tan inverse of beta equals to tan inverse of alpha minus beta upon 1 plus alpha beta, okay? So here it is tan inverse of alpha minus beta upon 1 plus alpha beta. So we can write like this, tan inverse of alpha minus tan inverse of beta. So this will be tan inverse of a1 minus tan inverse of y by x. Similarly, here it will be tan inverse of a2 minus tan inverse of a1. Similarly, here it will be tan inverse of a3 minus tan inverse of a2. Here it will be tan inverse of an minus tan inverse of a of n minus 1. Okay, plus tan inverse of 1 upon an. Now see, this tan inverse a1 and tan inverse a1 will be cancelled. Similarly, tan inverse a2 and tan inverse a2 will be cancelled. Similarly, most of the terms will be cancelled. But see, this we know that the second term, okay, from second bracket the second term is cancelled. Okay, so here in last bracket this term will be cancelled with the earlier bracket. So from this bracket this will be remaining. Okay, that is tan inverse of an plus tan inverse of 1 upon an. Now see, in this bracket, see, a of n into 1 upon a of n equals to 1. We know that if xy equals to 1, then tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equals to pi by 2. So this is converted into pi by 2. Okay? Now pi by 2 can be written as tan inverse of y by x plus cot inverse of y by x. Okay? So this minus tan inverse y by x will be cancelled with tan inverse of y by x. The remaining is cot inverse of y by x. But cot inverse of y by x can be written as tan inverse of x by y. So that is the answer. Okay? Now second, the principal value of cos inverse of bracket 1 upon root 2 bracket cos 9 pi by 10 minus sin 9 pi by 10 bracket complete is, choices are given. Given expression cos inverse of, see, let us multiply both the terms by 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 cos 9 pi by 10 minus 1 by root 2 sin 9 pi by 10. Okay. equals to cos inverse of, see, this 1 by root 2 can be replaced as cos pi by 4. So cos pi by 4 into cos 9 pi by 10 minus this can be replaced as sin pi by 4. So sin pi by 4 sin 9 pi. There may be question in your mind that why I have taken here cos pi by 4 and here sin pi by 4. Because see, it is cos inverse of, so we need cos inverse of cos. Okay, so in order to get the formula, we have to think one step ahead. Okay, so finally it is cos inverse of cos of, this is CC minus SS, so it is C plus C. So cos inverse of cos of pi by 4 plus 9 pi by 10. Okay, so that is cos inverse of, now see, 10 pi plus 36 pi upon 40, that is cos inverse of 46 pi upon 40, that is cos inverse of dividing by 2, so 23 pi upon 20. But see, this 23 pi upon 20 is out of range of cos inverse. Okay, it is out of 0 to pi close interval, more than that, more than pi. Okay, so I have to simplify. So equals to cos inverse of this can be written as 2 pi minus 70 pi by 20, because this is 40 pi minus 70 pi. Okay, that is 23 pi. So this can be written like this. Now see, this is fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant cos is positive. So we can write cos inverse of 17 pi by 20.